Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to organize your email content more effectively and create visually appealing layouts that grab your audience's attention. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Next, click on Campaigns from the Campaigns menu. This will display a list of all your email campaigns, including landing pages, newsletters, and regular emails. Browse through your campaigns and select the specific page where you want to add columns. Once you've found it, click on Edit to open it up for customization. Now you'll be directed to the Designer page. This is where all the magic happens. On the left side menu, you'll notice a section labeled Add. This is your creative toolbox containing all the elements and objects you can use to customize your page and make it truly unique. From the various options available in this section, look for blank layouts. These are essentially your page columns, and they give you the flexibility to structure your content exactly how you want it. Click on Show More to view all the available column divisions. You'll see different configurations like 2 columns, 3 columns, and even more complex layouts for further customization. Once you've chosen the column layout that best suits your needs, simply drag it onto your page. It's really that easy. The column block will drop right into place, ready for you to fill with your content. Here's where things get interesting. Look at the left side menu again, and you'll notice it has changed to show your column customization section. Under Style, you can select the exact number of columns you want this object to display. You can also adjust the color scheme to match your brand theme and add borders to make your columns stand out or blend seamlessly with your design. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your columns look and they fit perfectly into your overall design, click Save and Exit on the top right corner of your screen. This will preserve all your changes and take you back to your campaign's overview. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized columns in Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.